Hello, 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to Shubham Singh and Co YouTube channel. So, what's the topic today for our video? So, today's video is all about how you can see your competition keywords which they are ranking for. The SEO keyword on which your competition is actually ranking for on the first page of Google. So without wasting any much time, let's get started. So as usual that you need a what we can say browser. So I'm using here a Chrome browser. Open a new tab. So we want a subject. So let's go to first a website where we will search the SEO keywords of our competition. So let's search for Uber suggest on Google. If you know, Neil Patel is a very big digital marketer. Basically, Uber suggest is his product where you can find out the keywords, SEO keyword, and you can do the analysis of your competition. So let's take a subject. So for example, let's take a subject. So let's search for something, maybe hockey, and we will go for something like here. No, this is ESPN. ESPN. Okay, let's go for this asiahockey.org. I have never heard of it. Let's go for it. Okay, so it's a website. So as you may be knowing that India, the national game of India is hockey. Let's copy the URL or the domain name and just paste it in the Uber suggest. Choose your region. So I'm going to choose India, English, and I'm going to search for it. Let's see for which keyword this website is ranking for. And remember this thing that you may get some free keyword which will be shown directly, but you may take the paid version of Uber Suggest. So you can see that these are the keyword, like they do have like some around 3000 keyword ranking. Actually keyword is ranking for that, like which is making them rank on Google. So you can see these are the popular pages. So we came here for the, if we can say it, the keyword in which it is actually ranking. So it is ranking for QNet and hockey. The volume of QNet and hockey is 590. The position is 1, and the estimated visit is 179. Yeah. The volume, if volume is 590, that doesn't mean that every visitors will come on this particular website, because Google do have paid advertisement as well. So Asian Games 2018 hockey schedule. It's have a volume of 1600 and it is ranking third on the platform, and it is getting 156 roughly estimation. Then Asia Hockey Champion Trophy 2018 2400 volume, ranking 7, getting 61. This is how you check the SEO keywords. And let's go and search for QNet and hockey and see which are the other website which is ranking for the same keyword. So you can see that the search volume is fine and SEO is very easy. Paid difficulty is very easy. So where is the website? Okay, so it don't have like much website. Just a second. Yeah. So you can see Asia Hockey is on number 1. On number 2 is QNet India, and the list goes on. These are the list. like this keyword is this for this keyword which website is ranking on Google. So Asia Hockey is on the first place, QNet is on the second, QNet is on third as well, Q was on fourth, Q was on fifth. So this is how you get the SEO keywords for your competition, for your from your competition websites, and you have to just analyze and you can build a SEO strategy depending upon the result and analysis. So let's go and search for something else and search for something event. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's go for second page, fourth result. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Howard. What is the elephant doing in Howard? Maybe they do have some code or something. Okay, they do very short. So we'll just copy the URL, the main URL, and we'll paste it here. Search for it. You have to wait for some time. Maybe my net is working slow. Okay, so oh my, so they have like 1,91,407. Yeah, definitely it's a subdomain of howardh.edu. So they are having like 1,91,407 keyword ranking on Google, their web pages. Like for this keyword, their web pages are ranking on Google. So you can see that it is approximately around like 2 lakhs, maybe by end of this or maybe by the mid 2021 they will be touching 2 lakh mark of SEO keyword. These are the top pages. You can see love actually the science behind last infection. These are the one of the like most popular pages on the website on hardware.edu. Remember, hardware.eu is a domain and sitn.hms dot is subdomain. So kindly remember. So they are, oh my god. So they are like ranking for 8th position for the keyword love. Okay, and they are getting estimated of 65,995. Race is 74,000. So you can see that the volume for love is 3.4 million per month, and they are ranking on 8th, and they are getting estimation of 65,995. Okay, let's go and search like who are the competition for Harvard and who are using love as a keyword in order to rank on Google. Oh, okay. So basically, Netflix is, oh my god, Netflix is on number one for the love keyword, and they are getting an estimated of 1 million visits from this particular keyword organically. That's great. Second is Wikipedia. Third is IMDb. Fourth is also IMDb. Fifth is Merriam-Webster. I don't know what is it. Dictionary, Rotten Tomatoes, and then the eighth is sitn.html.howard.edu. So this is the way you may find how to get SEO keywords of your competition and use it in building your SEO strategy. I hope you find this video very interesting. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and comment. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.